Vasavi. I'm from Visakhapatnam. I have completed my B.TECH in the stream of Information Technology from Vignans Institute of Engineering for Women, and I've joined Jspiders in the month of November, and I've taken Java full stack course where I have completed my courses Java by Kaushik sir, Pawan sir, and Manjunath sir, and I've completed Web Technologies by Reshma ma'am, Skill by Revan sir, and I'm ongoing with React.js, which is which is ongoing and taken by Shivanand sir, and Advanced Java by Ravi sir, and I have attended the presentations and mock interviews which helped me to clear this interview, and I also attended grooming sessions which helped me to clear this.